So once you have your idea, who you're going to work with, or if you're going to work by yourself, and you've made some of your artwork, now you're ready to start to think about the location. So, do you want it inside or outside? Are you going to make a diorama to hang your artwork up in? And that could be a cardboard box, it could be a shoebox. Um, then you got to consider who are your guests for your art show, and does that inform your artwork? Are they going to be toys? Are they going to be inanimate objects? Are they going to be pets? Who's coming to see the artwork that you're hanging up in your tiny art show? And then the last thing is, do you want any other details? So, do you want labels, or are you going to have a title for your art show? Are you going to have a small artist statement, or like at least make a pretend artist statement? And then once you kind of figured out all of that, the artwork, location, guests, details, then you're ready to actually set up your tiny art show. And then you can again invite your family to come see the tiny art show. And at the tiny art show, you want to make sure that you photograph it. Take a lot of great pictures of all your hard work. We need at least 4 pictures from a variety of angles. So you might want one picture of just your artwork, just like this example shows, something that's super close, so that the the people that I'm gonna make a video for Lawnside can see everything that you made. And then you might want a picture of your guests looking at your artwork, or a picture zoomed out showing where your tiny art show is in your house. So just have fun with how all of these components can relate to each other. And I'm again interested to see all of your tiny art shows and then be able to put them together in order to create a quarantini art show for our Lawnside family, getting to show everyone everything that they've been doing from their homes. And if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know.